It is 2:07 p.m. Friday afternoon, August 27th, 2021. I'm on the inbound platform of the Metra station at Highlands. We're looking at the Burlington Northern Santa Fe ShooFly. We've got a westbound Metra train 1211 coming, heading from Chicago Union Station to Aurora, Illinois. And the ShooFly is here because Interstate 294, the Tri-State Express tollway, is being widened, so Burlington Northern Santa Fe is putting in a longer bridge. It's just about it's finished now. They haven't put track on it yet. And that old water tower behind the trees, that's in Western Springs, Illinois. I know it's Metra train 1231. He's coming through the ShooFly now. And it's 2:09 p.m. Friday afternoon, August 27th, 2021. The Metra station at Highlands, Illinois, over and out.